salute give una again, better country people, as e be I don land inside Pidgin Arena to give una the latest entertainment informate inside Obodo Naija. My name na Skimpy and people wey sabi me sabi say my way na wire and my flow na fire. Today on top the gist, you go gist inside Obodo Naija as body dey pepper fans, na so celebrity sef dey follow them with pepper body. It's not a small something. You know wetin happen? Make we start the gist from the domot of Tonto Dike. Yes, because Tonto Dike come outside some few days ago on top her social media handle come dance give her fans on top say wetin body dey sweet her. And you go fear country people because the comments wey dem drop give her no be small. Some people come outside come say, "Shoo, aunty, na hips be this, abi brick wey dem arrange take build upstairs." Hey, another person come still come outside talk say, "Shoo, this one na bakasi so, abi this one na pillow and na gege bread wey dem press put inside something." Orishirishi comment dey on top that level. You know wetin happen. Make I no too talk, make I search you the video, make you judge the matter by yourself because my hand no dey. Moving away from that level, you know say I don talk am from the beginning say body dey pepper orishirishi people inside Obodo Naija, celebrities and fans. What I dey talk about this time, I dey talk about our own Annie Idibia, because on top Father Day, this woman come outside come praise her husband with better sweet word. Say, "My obrosho, atuale for you. You dey try for me, you dey take care of the pikin, you dey do the necessary things at the right time." And na so people come begin like the comments now, they drop their own better comments sef. But you know wetin happen na, one person spoil the parole for Annie Idibia. As this person come outside talk say, "Shoo, this your husband so, wey be 21st century father Abraham." Hey, na there Annie vex o. She no even read the comment through her face because she come enter, come lambast the person back. Wetin she talk? She say, "You this person, you are sick in the brain. You know wetin happen? Your joke dey stale and e dey dumb." Na wetin she talk. Any which way, if you think say this thing wey she talk so na heavy word, wait until I give you the next story. Still on top celebrity news, if you no forget, I don talk am before, I go still talk am again. See, if you never get Instagram account, cha go open am because na there Orishirishi dey happen. You fit follow us at Pidgin Arena and I dey there at Oluwa Skimpy. Now, I still dey talk about Instagram drama, and now I wan talk about former Big Brother Naija housemate. I dey talk about Flo this time wey feature inside the Double Wahala edition. This lady come outside on top her Instagram handle come talk say, "Shoo, country people, I no know whether na only me dey do. Say sometimes when I wake up for morning, I no go just happy, I go dey vex. Abeg, if una know wetin I fit do to take stop this kind thing, make una tell me." Hey, na there one person come drop comment give her. The person say, "By stopping to smoke weed." Hey, as mama read the matter, na she reply am back say, "Brother Odenye, because if you sabi me, you go know say I no dey smoke weed. Sam na nicotine na I dey take." Ha! Na the guy phone am back kpakpa say, "Shoo, okay, so you dey proud say you dey take nicotine. No wonder you and Teddy never blow." Hey, as mama hear this matter, her head do wetin, and medulla oblongata, hey, e go upside down. Now she come outside the person say, "Ayé ẹ máa bàjẹ́, olófo, ikú máa pàdé ẹ lọ́dún yìí." Shoo, àfi ẹ o, Ọlọ́run rọ̀bì dànù. This one na my reaction when I see the thing. Anyway, you know say I don talk and say on top Pidgin Arena entertainment gist, we go dey drop am hot like fire. Na here we go drop the thing today because dem say shoki lobe oge, meaning say oge soup dey small. Until next time wey we go jam again, continue dey enjoy yourself, but abeg no forget on top YouTube, if you no subscribe, wetin you gain? If I no buy beans very soon, wetin I gain? I go cash on am next time. Ó dàbọ̀.